I love these soaps! Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, your host, and I am here to talk today about Botanical Paperwork's beautiful handmade soaps. But before I do, hey, please subscribe to this channel so you can keep getting beautiful product reviews. Now, speaking about beautiful, I love those smells. Did I say that before? Probably not. Listen, I love them so much. I love using these soaps. They feel unbelievable. They are all natural. They are made in Canada. They are small batch. Wow. Talk about bringing the farmer's market to the promo market. When we do that, we're actually presenting people with something that's a little bit new, something out of their comfort zone. And once they realize the power of these soaps, they're smitten. Now let me tell you a few things about these soaps. These soaps are so natural, created with essential oils, never any parabens, never any phthalates in them. And these are chemicals that often end up in waterways, and that's damaging to marine life. It's damaging ultimately to us humans. And a lot of commercial manufacturers of soap actually have these types of chemicals in their soaps. And what's worse is they're taking out the glycerin that's in these, oh, I love the smell of it, soaps. They take them out because it prolongs shelf life. Guess who doesn't do that? Well, that would be Botanical Paperworks. And they'd leave the glycerin in there because that natural plant-based fat is soothing and beautifully hydrating for dry skin like mine. Like I said, my family loves these. This is a multi-sensory experience when you receive it, and I'll tell you who's using it in promo these days. If you're a contractor and you've just finished renovating someone's bathroom, why wouldn't you leave a beautiful basket of handmade soaps with your logo on it so the person who gets into their brand new bathroom says, "Oh my gosh, I love what these people have just left me." Now, if that's not cool enough, Botanical Paperworks goes the full 9 yards. Their packaging is eco-friendly as well. In fact, when you're done with it, you take it off the soap, you plant it in soil, and that packaging is actually going to grow wildflowers. How cool, how unbelievable, right? For all of those reasons, I love this product. I think it's revolutionary. I think it's wild. I think you should investigate it from Botanical Paperworks. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thank you for watching our product review video. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends because they will love these ideas as well. Hey, thanks so much, and we'll see you at the next product review.